Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this week I think we're going to do something very different. We're going to do a sort of dipping, but this time we're going to use house paint. Yeah, you heard me right. Real house paint, but only for the white, for the backdrop. As we're going to see, we're going to put our acrylic and our paint over wax paper. Then we're going to do a dip with a canvas. I think I'm going to use both 2 or 3 canvas. We'll see how it goes. And the thing is, I want to have some cells, but without using any silicone. And the way to do that is to create some sort of a bubble inside your acrylic. The way to go about it is to put over, we're going to put the white, as you're going to see, and then we're going to put some colors, and then we're going to pull some white over the color. Then we're going to apply our canvas over it to do our dip, and you're going to see it's going to create cells. At least in theory it is, but I think it will. So guys, the best way to see it is to try it, so let's go ahead. Well guys, I hope you're going to agree with me that the result is great. I think the technique of the dip, I think using the house paint, it's a good way to go at it. And of course, we save a lot of money since we did use a lot. But when you use the interior paint, it's not a problem. Money is not a problem. You can use as much as you want. And as always, I use a lot. And as you have seen, I could have done at least 4 or maybe even 5 canvas or work, which I didn't because I wasn't prepared for it, to be frank. I thought I was going to do at least 2, but no more. Well, I think, like I said, the result is great. There's a lot of way to go about it, you know, to have a different result. You can go and without pressing, as you saw. Once we did the dip, I did press on the back of the canvas. So it did more, for me, it did more a fluid appearance. I think for me I like it better, but like we always say, it's subjective. You can do as you wish. But there's a lot of way to try it. I think it's almost infinite. The cells. Well, I was supposed to have more cells, but the thing is, I did rub a little bit too much my canvas when I was dipping. That did get rid of the bubble. So in fact what happened is that we got rid of a lot of cells that way. But like I said, if you want more cells, don't add silicone or anything else, just don't rub it too much once you do your dipping. So anyway guys, I think it's great. As you saw, I did use some sort of a plywood that we did some tests on it before, and the result is great. Even on, I did add a little bit of glue, two kind of glue, and well, I think the result is great. I think, you know what, I think I just find another technique which I like even more than dirty pouring or even a flip cup. But again, always a question of taste. So guys, anyway, I hope you liked it. I hope you're gonna try it because it's kind of easy, and the result, well, that's great also. So guys, like always, thanks for being here, and hope you're gonna come back often. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Bye.